Honestly, it looks like I had some tang just...
Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren, and today I have with me...
Hi you guys, I'm Manny MUA.
Oh my god, you were on it. You were like, I am Manny MUA, and I am here.
And ready to slay.
So, Manny, as you can see, just slayed my freaking face.
Why do you look so good though?
Literally
like,
though.
actually.
I've never looked this good in my entire life. Like, I'm on the reels. I've never looked this cute in my entire life.
You look great. I'm so happy you like it. Like, I'm really happy you like it.
Oh my god, no, it looks amazing. So today, you guys know that like, I've dabbled in a little bit of makeup. I did the same look every single time.
Did it go awry? It went awry?
It went awry.
Yeah.
And it just didn't go good. So obviously Manny is a makeup guru who just like obviously slays the makeup world. So I'm gonna be attempting to recreate one of Manny's like really intense looks with like a lot of color. Cause I feel like when you're like doing golds and browns, you just blend it all together and it turns out okay.
Yes.
This ain't gonna turn out okay. I'm also like a little worried that like I'm about to disrespect your work. Like
no, oh my god, I'm literally like not that bitch either. So I'm just like that's going with the flow. Was this? I don't know what that was, but we're gonna be just fine. I'm just gonna literally just be here just like
okay. Also, this background is beautiful. Not my normal background, obviously, because
oh my god, the pole.
There's like
the pole's in this whole time. Are you kidding me?
Okay, I've got about 4,500 different makeup brushes here and a lot of different products that I don't know how to use
so
any
many.
of. So many makeup brushes, like y'all don't even know. Okay, let's get into it. Guys, do you want to see the world's smallest freaking dog in the entire world? This dog is not even real. Oh, you're so cute, little baby. Okay, so do I have to like prime your eyeball or what?
Yeah, prime me.
I feel like I'm about to disrespect the entire beauty community by using all the wrong brushes. Is this an okay brush?
That's great.
Is it a good brush?
Yes, go ahead and use that. I'm very, very proud of you for that one.
Oh my god, nailed it. Oh my god, oh my god. Am I doing it right?
Yeah.
Do I go all the way up to the eyebrow or don't tell me? Oh, you do tell me. Okay, you're gonna tell me.
No, I won't tell you. Sorry.
I'll take the tip.
No.
I feel like I should just do one eyeball.
Ow!
That was so mean!
I had to do it.
Oh my god, don't do that to me.
I won't, because that was the last one. Boom! So I have a specific look that she's recreating, guys.
Oh yeah, so I'll put the look up on the screen right now. Yeah. F my L! My hands are cold, but I'm sweating because I'm nervous. Okay, here we go. There's so much color!
No.
Are there any eyeliners in here, or is this all shadow?
All shadow. Especially make it easier, right? No.
Is it a good brush? This feels like a good
yeah,
brush.
Sure.
Wait, actually, is this a Kylie brush? It feels
like Kylie.
Horsey.
This is like right, though. This is like a good
Kylie, I don't
fiber
want
for
you.
this. Okay.
I'm gonna watch the video after and be like, I was so wrong.
Oh, I didn't do a video on it.
Oh, you didn't do a video? Oh, bless, thank God. Okay.
So you won't even
Less
be able
judgment.
to see.
So, okay, so this might be a train wreck on the way there, but we might end up in the right place. We might get there. Probably not, but we might.
What do you mean?
Oh my gosh, this is such a... Okay, this is like the makeup thing to do, right?
Oh, that's very makeup of you. I'm very impressed.
Oh my god, this is where everything goes so wrong. Oh, this isn't even that pigmented. I thought it was gonna be crazy.
We're taking the Morphe 35B.
Use code MannyMUA.
That's right, for 10% off.
10% off.
Remember, I told you have to try hard.
I'm trying.
Okay, good.
Like, I know it looks like I'm not trying, but like I'm really trying. Like,
No,
I'm
you're
giving
trying.
my 100% right
Okay,
now.
good.
Are you like dying? Is this like really bad?
No, I'm not gonna say anything.
You got punched in the face with tangerine.
Honestly, it looks like I had some tang just... We're going higher.
All the way to the crease.
Oh, hell yeah.
You need to like hold your eyelid down.
Okay, there you go.
Is this practice?
Definitely don't want to do that to clients, so,
okay, so
we're not gonna do that in the
okay.
future.
I don't think anyone's gonna book me. Like, I don't think I'm getting clients off.
Are you sure?
I think it's gonna come together.
I agree.
Okay, here we go. Let's go in with
I agree.
a Morphe R39.
Oh my god, I love that brush. I'm very impressed with you taking that right now because that is one of my favorite brushes.
Oh no.
Dude, it feels great. I mean, I feel like you have a great technique. I feel the fluffiness.
Really? Because I didn't look it so great.
Honestly, I don't think you're doing that bad.
Going with my Morphe M210.
M210. Ooh, I feel the beaming from within. Oh, I feel so good. We're getting there.
Honestly, like,
that's what I'm saying.
It's not the worst. Okay, wait, this is like a pink to purple ombre. I think I need a smaller brush. I'm stressed. I need a small one.
A smaller one? Okay, let's go with a smaller one.
Oh no.
Ooh, yep.
Oh no, we'll have to fix that.
I think you're doing great. I think it's gonna ombre just fine.
Oh, that looks bad on camera! You literally look like you have like all the phases of a bruised black eye on your face. Like that's what it looks like.
You're right.
Yeah.
Not like you're right when like saying that. It looks like that, but
it's
all
like
the colors.
all the colors. It looks like you got punched in the face.
Oh, what are you doing out there?
Like my backup plan is that I'm gonna just add a big lash on top of it so you can't see any of the...
That's honestly like
that,
all you really need.
Common technique?
That's a common technique is like if you feel like the makeup doesn't look that good, just add a big lash.
Just add a big lash.
And it kind of distracts it from the makeup.
I like need an eraser. Maybe like a makeup wipe.
There we go.
Oh, honestly though?
There we go. I want to look like a cheetah girl.
I'm starting to brush people, but you don't look like a cheetah girl. And this ain't no cheetah girl makeup.
The key to makeup is a good blend.
I'm trying to erase my mistakes. You want a little shimmer in there?
I feel like you have a very steady hand.
That's because I'm resting my whole fist on your forehead.
That makes more sense.
Oh! You almost lost an eyeball! Feel how clammy my hand is.
Oh my god, it's wet! Let's put some gloss on. Let's highlight. Ooh.
Honestly, it's not the worst.
It's really not. That's what I'm telling you. I'm trying to tell you.
I like
it's not the
my hair up.
worst.
I'm like getting sweaty and overwhelmed, and I just like
baby.
Yeah, hop out my masterpiece. Purple up on the upper lid that's not supposed to be there. Ooh, honestly, that was a good point.
Ooh. It's a good ass point. I just need to connect it. Oh, dude, like I feel like you're like really getting there right now.
We might get
like
there.
I actually feel like you're really getting there.
We honestly might end up there.
Look at that.
A little blendy. How do I minus a color? If I made a little boo-boo.
What? Where'd you boo?
A little boo-boo. So see how we have like a little blue situation happening here and a little purple situation happening above there?
I'll just go on top of it with more blue.
I'm like a little concerned about when I have to commit to like a black liner situation.
I didn't even do black eyeliner in there.
What?
I didn't do black. I only did blue.
What is that?
It's the lash.
Oh, it's the lash line.
Uh-huh.
I feel like I got a little blue follow down here.
Oh, we're gonna. Honestly, I think it's looking pretty sickening.
Corner situation could be better. Has seen better days.
A touch.
It's like one of those situations where the wing keeps getting longer and longer because I'm like messing up more.
Literally me on you today.
Oh, that's not in the picture.
No. Like no, anything but that.
It's the orange situation that's just really
That throws you off.
Throwing it off.
Yeah.
That looks better. Look at me. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna throw a lash on it.
Okay, let's throw a lash on.
I can't believe you're trusting me to put a lash on your freaking face.
I think you can do it. I really do.
I don't know if I can do it. Okay, here we go. My clammy hands are just not here for it. Your bottom lashes are the length of my top lashes.
No.
Yes, they are.
Really?
You're like,
I like
tell me again.
Let's do it again.
You're just like, you're doing the whole thing. I'm just holding this and you're like.
And I'm blinking into it.
You know what? If I go from a higher angle. Oh yeah, the top angle. This is where it's at. Lash. Oh
what?
No! I think I need a Q-tip. That's not gonna blend out.
Ooh, I feel like my lashes are stuck together.
They kind of are at the bottom. I don't think I've ever put a lash on somebody else. I did on Alex, but it was like half on. I hope you love half on lashes.
You have to do it. This is your creation.
Yeah, no, I'm going to. You're like, great, love a sharp pointy object next to my eyeball.
I know, I'm scared.
Honestly, same. Ugh, I just like don't want to be on Just Jared Jr. being like, laurDIY pokes Mannymua'S eye out.
Just Jared Jr.
I just don't want to be
It'll
that
do
girl.
it.
Oh my gosh. Okay, I need full concentration here. Here we go now.
You got this, come on.
I mean, like, okay. Oh, I covered all my blue. Oh no, it's on so high. Don't move.
Oh god.
There's a fuzz I need to remove. It's like surgery. Does it feel like it's on really bad?
No, it feels actually amazing. I think you did a great.
That?
That's my favorite part that you did was the lash.
I feel like I'm holding your face in like a lot of places that probably aren't supposed to be touched.
We're done.
Are we done?
Let's look.
Honestly, it's not the worst.
It's because I'm selling it.
You're like, I wouldn't go to an event with it, but it's not like.
It's not bad. It really is. I think you actually did a great job.
It's not horrendous.
No, not at all. I think that you could have done so much worse.
What would you fix besides the whole thing?
The only thing I would fix is probably the lower lash line, just taking it a little bit lower. The blue liner, probably just taking it a little farther out. Everything else looks really, really good.
Not the worst. Didn't do the
No,
worst.
it really honestly isn't.
And you
the
also
worst.
still have all your eyeballs, so that's
yes,
a plus.
and that's the whole plus of it all.
That's the highlight of the whole
Yeah,
look. Is that
actually
all
you're
the
still
eyeballs
intact.
survived? Also, having one eye done, this is the look.
This is really like, look how big my eye looks compared to the other one. Like, and I'm
so
here for it.
good.
I'm really here for
Yeah,
it. It's
no,
like,
same.
oh, so masculine. Bam, not really.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Honestly, it could have gone a lot worse.
It could have gone so much worse, you
Could have
guys.
gone really worse.
I think you did
It's
great.
like it's not good. It's definitely not good.
I think that it's I think not good is mean. I would say that it's give it a rating out of 10.
I would say like a 4.
I would say like a 6.
What?
Yeah.
That's a pass.
Yeah, that's a
I'll
pass.
take it.
Honestly, I would give it a 6. Like for recreating my look, I would give it a 6.
LAUR.
Don't come for me.
We also filmed obviously this look on Manny's channel, so I'll have that link in the down bar below if you want to go watch that, and make sure to subscribe to his channel while you're there. Literally, Manny's commentary on life is the funniest thing. Like, you guys know, I don't even do makeup or know anything, but the commentary cracks me up. And I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY, and again I want to say for another weekly vlog. Okay, bye guys.
Mwah.
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running